Aloha! Welcome everyone to the unveiling for Pugly, the cab over project. This has been months in the making. I bought this in Southern California, had it shipped to Hawaii. That was a nightmare, but it arrived here 2 days ago and now it's ready for its debut. I haven't touched it. It's exactly as it got off the boat, and it's an interesting combination. I haven't really seen one of these, or especially what I'm going to do with it. So it's in the shop. I don't know if you can hear it. It's on right now. I'm going to pull it out and show it to everyone on YouTube. Hold on one second. There's Pugly. Let me give you a close up. So it's a 78 Ford CL 9000. I want to tell you the most interesting, this is why I bought it. I've been looking for one of these kind of for a few years, but I wanted something unique. I wanted a combination that nobody had. So single axle, a lot of them were tandem axle, and that's all right. But for what I had planned, I wanted a single axle. See the dual stacks. We'll be changing those to dual straight pipes. But here's why I had to buy this one. Here's why I had to buy this one. It has an 8v-92 Detroit diesel 2-stroke, supercharged and turbocharged, 440 horsepower from the factory, and a 13-speed. On the engine, you can see it stamped GM for General Motors, so it's a Ford body with a General Motors engine. Isn't that crazy? So for me, I thought that was a really cool combination. It's just like opposite worlds, you know? So yeah, it's got the small sleeper. I think it's about a 36-inch sleeper. I want to say these are dual 80-gallon tanks, so about 160 total. Has 4 batteries, has room for 2 more. But yeah, it runs great. Obviously, it's been sitting for a little while in California, and we're gonna go through everything. It's gonna get the Alcoas, it's gonna get painted. I'm gonna try to do 7-inch straight pipes, and then we're gonna do something interesting on the back. It will not have a 5th wheel, so that's why I wanted the short wheelbase, and I'll leave that for a different video. But this is Pugly. So over the next coming months, you will see a transformation, and I think it'll be the only one like it around. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and it will notify you every time I post a video. Alright guys, hopefully you like the new project.